Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an oil-free, summer special, protein-rich salad recipe. This filling and nutrient-rich salad is loaded with natural healthy fats and fiber. A cooling summer salad to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this salad, I'm using 2 medium-sized local variety of cucumber and I'm peeling the skin of the cucumber. Once the cucumber is peeled, trim off the ends and scrub the end like I am showing in the video. This will help to prevent bitterness in the cucumber. Add the peeled cucumber into a bowl and I am slicing the cucumber into small pieces. Okay, now I have finely chopped the cucumber and I'm going to keep this aside. Into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in 2 green chillies. Green chillies you can increase or decrease as per your taste. For some extra iron and folate, I'm adding 2 sprigs of curry leaves, some coriander leaves, and I'm going to coarsely grind this. Okay, now I have coarsely ground. For some natural healthy fats, protein and fiber, into this I am adding in 1/4 cup roasted channa dal, 3/4 cup roasted peanuts. I am squeezing in half a lemon, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, half teaspoon crushed black pepper. You can increase or decrease black pepper to suit your taste. 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/3 teaspoon chaat masala, 3 tablespoons grated coconut. The grated coconut and the peanuts will help to give the much needed healthy fats, so you don't need to add in any extra oil in this salad recipe. And now I'm going to coarsely grind all this. Okay, now I have coarsely ground the ingredients. I pulsed it 3 times in the chutney grinder to get this consistency. Add the crushed ingredients into the chopped cucumber. For some added crunch, color, antioxidants and sweetness, I'm adding in half cup of pomegranate seeds. This is entirely optional. Some extra black pepper powder. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. Couple of tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, and with a spoon I'm giving it a good mix. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in, and if you feel you need more sourness, you can squeeze in half a lemon. Just play around with your taste, and once nicely mixed, the salad is ready to serve. You can chill the salad for a couple of hours in the refrigerator and serve, or you can serve it immediately. Some extra pomegranate seeds to garnish and a sprinkle of finely chopped coriander leaves. And my super healthy, oil-free cucumber peanut salad is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a filling meal in your weight loss journey. So guys, do try this healthy cucumber salad and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.